Hi everyone and welcome to my place. Here's the bouquet. Now if you're looking for a really lovely design for your table flowers, how's this? There is a lovely box. Line your box with little jars, or you could line it with a trough or water, or anything that's going to hold the water, and then you just get your bouquet and just place it, oops, a little bit rough here, Astar, into the trough. How cool is that, and how easy is that? And all you need to do, you don't have to wrap it, make it into a posy, but you know what? If you're already doing posies, I showed you how quick and easy this was. Just get it and then plonk it into a box and line these down your tables. Oh, it's fantastic. I've got other ways that I want to share with what you can do with this, but that can wait till another day. I hope you've enjoyed this, and I'll see you again another day.